Hey lollipops, welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. On today's episode I am going to be doing my brows and my lashes. My lashes is actually a gift because Divine made me go angry. Like she disappointed me like 3 weeks or so, so she's giving me the lash extension for free. So you guys, I want to introduce you to the lady that does the lashes, and I'm going to put her contact on this vlog, so in case you need her to come do your lashes and all of that, you can just simply contact her. Okay, so Divine, please can you say what you're doing for me today?
Hello, I'll be doing her microblading and her lash extension.
Okay.
So I'll be doing classic for her and then doing microshading.
Okay, all right, thank you so much. So you guys, okay, my baby is also telling you guys what she'll be doing for you too. Wow, that light is so fine. So that's it for now, you guys. So stay put and watch what we are doing. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Just so you know, yeah, I'm not for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Just so you know, yeah, I'm not for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
I begin to
Divine came to my house to beat you up.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh no. Yeah, that's because the eye is a very sensitive place, and when it's being touched so much like this, you see that way. Wow. It's very red. So you guys, we are done with the lashes now, and we'll move to the brows. Okay, so oh no, it's not easy. I'll show you guys. Okay, let's just finish up. What do you think about my lashes? Leave your... Hey, stop that. Leave your comments, okay, on the comment section. I know it's fun. The vibe is good. Alright, so... Okay. So lollipops, at this time we're actually preparing my brows for the microblading. What she was doing right here is actually numbing my eyebrows so that when she's microblading I don't feel any pain. And this thing here, it's helped me because the pain was not really massive, but it was a medium pain. It's, for me, if you say over 10, I would choose I would say the pain is 4. Yes, it's 4/10 because it's not that much. It's not even half of 10. Okay, the pain is manageable without the numbing cream even, but the numbing cream made everything easy. At some point, Seth, she was even microblading. I didn't even know she was already touching my brows because I wasn't feeling any pain. Okay, that is the essence of this numbing cream. But trust me, once this numbing cream goes off, like once it fades off, or more, no person go tell you. Like say that they cut you for skin. But then again, it's a minor pain. Okay, if you have relaxed your hair and you left your relaxer for too long, you know what I'm talking about. That sensation is what you feel. Hey guys, I'm waiting for 45 minutes. This is a numb cream, okay? I just pray that this is not painful. This is actually my first time, you guys, so I just pray it's not painful.
Because they're all fine. On your hands, the back. Never.
So guys, I'm having a break and I'm eating. I never chop since morning. Best way they do microblading, they chop a bag. So let me eat something, okay, you guys? All right, I'm going to show you when I finish. So guys, I'm done eating now, and we are moving over to the brows. You guys wish me luck. I'll show you stages by stages, like from time to time, okay, so I can concentrate and get the work done.
I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought
I don't want it wide though.
I'm walking inside. I'm not walking in the line.
My daughter, she's not making a mistake.
I'm so happy I thought of you. Any luck finding Cecilia? Not yet.
I don't know which one is better. If you see that, if both of them are not equal, yeah. The acts, are they the same? Are they in the same place?
I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure.
There is nothing anybody would tell me in this world other than that I'm looking very beautiful. Like, you guys, look at this beautiful face. Look at this beautiful woman. Look at this beautiful awesomeness. Hi. Forget. I'm too fine. I'm too fine, I beg. I'm too fine. I fine die. Gosh. So you lollipops, she was already running up at this point. I tried as much as possible to vlog, but I also tried not to disturb her. I let her do her things, okay? So
I begin to. I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
Do you think this front is higher than this?
I don't think so.
So I don't want to make it bigger.
Yeah, but the only place I'm thinking is a little bit higher. Like, this place went upper than this side.
Are you sure?
I don't know if it's.
I was even thinking this, but that's why I was measuring.
But they're the same to you, right?
Yeah.
So lollipops, you can see how beautiful that I am looking for yourself. I'm a Barbie girl, you know that already. So you guys, I'm looking so cute and I'm feeling myself. Okay. Hey lollipops, you guys, I am done already and you can see how cute and beautiful, like everything cute I am looking, right? So yeah, I take my time. I'm always patient. Okay, I knew Divine wants to go for this job, so I just had to literally wait for her because I can't waste my money and come and be looking like a baker. Pardon me, you guys, but now I am looking all sweet. See, I don't even need anybody's opinion on this one because I know exactly how I'm looking, and I'm looking so fly. Not only facially, inside I'm looking so beautiful too. Forget, I fine like this. So you guys, let me end the vlog here. Okay, until next time, my lovers, stay safe and play big. Okay, bye. All right.